Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Pipedrive person from Google Ads lead. So here I am managing a marketing agency, and to promote my business, I am using Google Ads. So I am running an ad campaign on Google Ads, and I've also created a lead gen form to generate the leads. Now my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead for my business through Google Ads, automatically that lead should be added in my CRM, and that is Pipedrive. To automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between Google Ads and Pipedrive, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step that how we can automatically add our Google Ads lead as contacts in Pipedrive. So here I am running a marketing agency, and to promote my business, I am using Google Ads. So I have created a lead gen form on my ad campaign in Google Ads, and with that lead gen form, I want to generate the leads. And as the leads are generated, I want to add them to my CRM, that is Pipedrive. To automate the entire process of adding these leads to Pipedrive as CRM, we will have to set up the connection between Google Ads and Pipedrive. And that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect helps us to build the connections between our work applications without the requirement of coding or programming skills to automate all our daily repetitive tasks. Let's get started quickly with the help of Pabbly Connect. Today we will set up the connection between Google Ads and Pipedrive. Now this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in option. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And you can see it has taken us towards a dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Create Pipedrive person from Google Ads lead. After giving the name to my workflow, I will select the folder. So the automation which I'm going to create recently is related to my lead management, as I want to add my leads from Google Ads in Pipedrive. That is my CRM. Okay. So here automations for lead management will be my folder name. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two extremely important windows. We have trigger and we have action over here. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts. We can say these are the principles or the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Google Ads, automatically that lead should be added as a person, or we can say as a contact in Pipedrive. So for that, here we are going to take Google Ads in trigger and Pipedrive in our action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through Google Ads, then only that lead will be added to CRM, that is Pipedrive, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating this automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step, and we will select our trigger application as Google Ads, because when the lead will be received through Google Ads, then we want to capture the response, and with that response only we want to start the workflow. So now after selecting the application, we will select the trigger event as well. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start, or it is going to trigger, we can say. So new lead form entry will be our trigger event over here, because when the lead form will be entered, that is when the lead form will be submitted by a lead, then the response should be captured, and with that response we want to start our workflow. To connect Google Ads with Pabbly Connect, you can see we have received a webhook URL, and also we have received certain instructions. Basically, we need to follow the given instructions step by step carefully to insert the webhook URL inside our Google Ads account inside the specific lead gen form. As we will do that, when that form will be submitted, then the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of that lead towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL, and by following the given instructions, we will insert it. So do not worry, I'm going to show you each and every step. This is the ad campaign which I'm running, and also I've opened my lead gen form over here. As you can see, it contains following fields such as name, email, phone number, as well as I will select the company name of the lead as well. So these are the fields in my form. After completing the form in your ad campaign, you just have to scroll down and you will see the option of lead delivery. You have to select lead delivery option, where in the field of webhook URL, you have to paste the webhook URL, and then we have to provide the key. So you can give any name to your webhook for which you are setting up this connection. Let's say here I'm going to give new leads, and because currently I'm not running any live campaign on my Google Ads account, in order to show you how to set up this connection successfully, I'm going to use a test data. This is my test form and the test campaign. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on send test data, and as the test data is sent successfully, we can see that our connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is built. We'll wait for a few seconds to capture the response over here, and you can see that the test response is captured. This means the connection is successful. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign, once you will set up this connection, every time a new lead is going to submit your lead gen form, the response of that actual lead is going to be captured automatically in Pabbly Connect. Here we are going to complete our automation with this test response only. You can see we have received a test phone number, test email, test company name, test first name, and the last name. Create a person in Pipedrive as well. For that, let's go towards our action step and let us select Pipedrive as our action application. Then we have to select the action event. So our action event will be to create a person as a contact in Pipedrive. Then we have to click on connect to build this connection. You can see I'm already logged into my Pipedrive account. For building this connection, we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. But to create a new connection, you have to click on this new connection button. And then you have to provide the API token. And to get this API token, you just have to first of all log into your Pipedrive account, and then you have to go towards the profile section from top right corner. Under profile, you will find personal preferences. So here, after coming on our Pipedrive account, we have the profile section on top right corner, and we have personal preferences over here. After coming on personal preferences, let's go towards API, and this is our API key. As you can see, let's copy it and we will paste it over here. Done. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So we just have to enter the details in these fields to create a record or to create a person. Let's start with the name. As you can see, we have already received the name and other details of the lead to whom we want to add as a person in our earlier response. So instead of entering the data manually by typing, we will simply insert the data directly from this previous step only. Here we have the first name, last name, phone number, and all other details. First of all, it is asking us the first name. So I will map the value of the first name. I will use a space, and then I will map the value of the last name. In this way, I have mapped the name successfully. And when I map it, now automatically it is going to replace with every new response. So this means whenever a new response is going to be captured through Google Ads, automatically the details which we are going to map are going to replace. Then you have to provide the label. So I'm going to select none because we could not define the label for any of the lead. We can have hot lead, warm lead, cold lead, etc. I'm going to ignore this field. Then we will map the phone number. So mapping is very important. In case if we will enter the details manually by typing or by copy and pasting instead of mapping, then the data will become static and then it is not going to replace every time. Then we will not be able to automate the process. Now let's map the email. After mapping the email, just directly click on save and send test request button. And here the response is captured. It is providing us the owner ID and all of the details. So now I'm going to take you towards my Pipedrive account. We will go towards the contact section. And here you can see at last we have the new lead. That is the person created with the same details as we have received from Google Ads. This means our connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time a new lead will be received through Google Ads, automatically it will be added to your CRM. Here I have just taken the example of Pipedrive, but any of the CRM which you are using, you just have to set up the connection like this and your work is done. So I hope this automation is clear to you and also it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.